Over here in the lower left corner, we've got a cross tab with a couple of measures, revenue and budget amount. The budget deviation percent is a calculation, a client-based calculation. Let's have a look at this in defined mode. If we go here and have a look in calculations tab, we can see it's right here, budget deviation percent. Now the thing is, if you want to monitor your budget deviations, whether they are above or below budget, you can go here and use an agent. Notice you cannot use the monitor this value option, but only monitor this object option. So let's try this. It actually opens up something in the properties over here, add object notification agent, and we would like to monitor our calculation. Now we need to set up a condition here. You can start up with one of the predefined ones. We got some negative values. We can even change it if we want to. So if the value is less than 10%, then this notification agent should work. So let's apply the agent. It brings us into the scheduled job. You can see some of the general settings here. You can also, of course, change the schedule. How often should it check this dashboard whether this calculation has changed? Put in a proper subject here. It's actually quite important that you do this because that's kind of the only indication you got why you actually guess this notification mail, but the deviation less than -10%. Perhaps I should mention here that it's important that you do this upon a saved document. Alright, let's go into our scheduled jobs list here, and the one we just created is this one. It hasn't been run yet, but we can just right click here to do a manual run of that, and we'll just need for that, wait for that to succeed before we can see the result. Now let's close this dialog, and actually also let's close the client itself. Yeah, maybe I would like to save that bit of information just put in there. And now it's been closed. Let's go and find my mail client here. You can see I already got the mail, budget deviation less than -10%, but that's all the information you get in the mail. You'll need to open this open link here to actually open the associated target document in order to get more details about it if you need. So once you open it, you get into the dashboard and you can do further analysis as you need.